We're coming out here to clean the chicken coop this afternoon. Go see what we have going on at the garden. Clean up the yard a little. Figure out what we're gonna have for supper. It's Monday, and last week I never finished my meal plan. I think I went to Aldi on Wednesday, and I told y'all that I hadn't, made my meal plan yet. It never ended up happening. We went through the whole week just either making stuff that we had here or figuring out what we were gonna make that day. It was just a really busy week. This week I've got a meal plan, so that'll be happening this evening. As far as supper tonight, I'm not sure yet. It's hard to think about supper when it's hot outside, like ice cream. That sounds good. The moment we come out here, it starts looking like it's about to rain. Maybe it won't. Hopefully we can get some stuff done before it does, if it does. First, we're gonna clean up the chicken coop, put them some fresh shavings in. Hey, Roosty.
I think they don't want to come out of here.
They don't want to come out?
Yeah, this is weird.
You bucket fishing?
Yeah, I already caught a little tadpole.
You did?
Yeah, see? He's in there.
Oh, there he is. Hey, little guy.
Butter Muffins tomatoes like this.
Oh, yeah. If it's big, it's ready. You can go ahead.
I don't know how big Reddy is. I love homegrown peppers.
Yeah. I'm trying to save my black cherry tomato plant here, y'all. Do you see any of those worms, Jonah? If you see any, grab them off. We must dispose of them.
Look inside.
I think these are all still okay. I'm not seeing anything. Hopefully, I'll get these before whatever else is getting them gets them.
I'll be at the pond bucket fishing.
Okay. A lot of tomatoes. Jonah said he already checked the fig tree. Nothing ready yet. And the blackberries are just not doing good this year. Not at all. I see a few way back in there that we normally pick, but it's only a few, so I'm not even gonna worry about it. It's a shame. I love the blackberries. There are a lot of wild ones growing over at the place where we go walk a lot on the road going up to the trail, not actually on the trail. And I'm sure they wouldn't mind if we picked those there, but we don't know if they spray that area with anything, They may spray stuff on it and all, so. Come on, Bucket. Just a little bit farther. Come on, come on. Gotcha.
Now the bucket fish.
There you go. Okay, we got the chicken coop done, got all the trash picked up. Now we're gonna cut back all this stuff again so that it's a really clear path to the trampoline. Huh? She went inside for a minute. I think we'll cut a path this way and that way. That way, either way y'all go, it's a clear path.
Okay.
I can just cut this whole little bush down front. No, I kind of like this bush itself. I just don't want anything bushy. Yeah, I don't like bushy. The day he finds out, it'll be good.
Sometimes happens on the day.
Well, Abby and Sissy just need Sissy got this game. Sissy told me.
Okay, that's much better. We're thinking about putting some rocks, you know, like a little rock path. We'll see. Right now, we gotta figure out what we're making for supper. When you haven't made your meal plan and all else fails, make spaghetti. It's always a winner. Since we have so many tomatoes, these are some of the ones we picked the other day. Not any of the ones we just got. I'm gonna slice some of these up to add into our sauce. Well, I'll probably just mix them with the pasta and then we'll put the sauce on. I'm missing, oh there it is. I was fixing to say I'm missing my little oddly shaped cutting board, but I found it. We'll just slice these up. I'll slice one up just to have with our salad. You know what, we'll save these two for salads or whatever on the side. And I'll slice these two up to go into the spaghetti bake. I'm just gonna use this sauce right here, but we'll add some fresh tomatoes in. So I'm just doing like a little spaghetti bake, and I have some stuff to do salads on the side, or just some vegetables on the side, however everybody wants to eat it. A lot of times we'll just put the vegetables on the side instead of mixing it into a salad, and they just dip it in ranch dressing or something. Most of the time I have the stuff here to make spaghetti or sloppy joes, or let's see, what's another go-to? Always breakfast for dinner. Most of the time we always have the stuff here that we can do a quick breakfast for dinner. That's probably our two most popular throw it together real quick suppers, spaghetti and sloppy joes. Or spaghetti bake like I'm gonna do with this. I think I have like 6 boxes of spaghetti up there. Well, 5 now since I used this one. Most of the time some pasta sauce or marinara sauce or something. If I don't have that, I have tomato paste and tomato sauce and all that we can just make our own real quick. Okay, we'll let that cook. And I'm just gonna grab a 9x13 casserole dish. When these get done, we'll drain them, pour them in, add the sauce, put some cheese on top.
Till I found this, now we squish stop that.
One fell over there too. See it? Oh no, who moved my log? With my chicken in it. I don't know if I can lift this thing. You gonna help me? 1, 2, 3, up, 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 up. There we go. Let me dust off my chicken. It won't light up with all this dirt on it. This is solar chicken. I got it from Tractor Supply. I can't remember if it was last year or the year before. They still have some kind of like them. Not exactly, but they have some other pretty ones. Oh, we need a sweep in here. We started loving the French press coffee again, especially Titus. He really loves it. It does make it more, I don't really know how to explain it. If you've had coffee in a French press before, you know what I'm talking about. It's like it keeps the oils in the coffee or something more than if you just make it in a coffee pot, especially if you do fresh ground beans. Like if you grind up your own beans and do it, like you can see the oiliness at the top if you just pour the coffee black. Even if you add cream, it rises to the top. There's just like a little bit of coffee bean oils or something. Jonah and Sissy are out there bucket fishing now. For this French press, I do 6 of these scoops. This is a little coffee spoon. It's made to close up your coffee bag. You clip it on there like that. And it used to have coffee right here. I think I already told y'all this before. Like coffee used to be written right there, but it got worn off. But I'm not sure. That's probably about maybe a little more than a tablespoon. We like our coffee to be pretty strong, so we do about 6 of those into the French press. Pour it in like that, the water. I go all the way to almost the top of the silver part. Stir it up, put the top on. Wait 4 minutes before pressing. I've got time to sweep the garage before we press the coffee. Look at all those tomatoes. Where are my shoes? Oh, here they are.
What are y'all doing?
I'm coming to look for the deck brush. Did I leave it up at the chicken coop? I think I left the deck brush up here the other day. Are y'all about to go up for the evening? It must be down at the barn. Okay. Hey, buddy. Got it. We're gonna make some peanut butter muffins this evening. The kids can have one for a snack tonight if they want one, and we'll have them to go with breakfast in the morning. Yeah, you want to be the taste tester? Yeah, you finish putting those in while I get the bowl ready.
Okay. Wait, where are all the other ones? Mom, where? Oh, there they are. Don't leave the halfway over here.
You finish these over here and I'll go ahead and start mixing everything up.
Okay.
Do you have enough liners?
Yeah, there's only one more left.
Okay. I've got the oven preheating to 350. We're gonna mix the wet ingredients in here first. So I'm gonna start with 1/2 cup of peanut butter. And we need 1 egg. We need 1/4 cup of maple syrup and 1 cup of milk. Okay, now we're going to need some flour, salt, and baking powder. Okay, so we've got 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We need 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 cup of flour. We'll mix this all together. Yeah, it's